Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got the last one of the set of varieties from Nissin, Germany. This is their Big Soba wok-style classic yakisoba. It's good stuff. I really like their yakisoba varieties. I think this one I do like. We will find out. Let's add some liquidity. And we'll need 3 minutes on the old timer. Yeah, this one's got holes in the top. You drain it, that whole deal. And yeah, this is the last one I'm doing for today. This will be the 4th, and tomorrow is the 4th of July. Okay. Will I do 4 reviews tomorrow? Probably. That's just how I roll. I did 20 last week, and I've already done 8 this week. Because I did 4 yesterday, which was Sunday, 4 today, which is Monday. I believe this will be review 4,692 or 693, which means I'm really getting close. Just over 300 reviews to go to the big 5,000. That's a lot. That's a lot. 300 varieties of instant noodles. I don't have that many in stock right now, that's for sure. I've probably got enough for maybe a week or 2 more, hopefully. Depending on what arrives and this and that. Another week or 2 of doing 20 a week. And then I'll probably be like, anybody got any noodles? I'm out of noodles. Help, help. And then invariably, boom, I get like a huge influx of noodles. So, honestly, to run out of noodles wouldn't be such a bad thing right now because I got top 10 lists I need to roll out. Usually I've got I've got the bottom 10, the top 10 cups, and the top 10 bowls. And they're all ready to get edited and pushed out. I just haven't done it yet. By the time you're seeing this, I'm sure they have, but... yeah, it's like, come on, get rolling, buddy. I just haven't done that yet. I don't know. This is week 3 of doing lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of reviews because I started as soon as they got out of school for summer. So shifted over, but yeah. It's worked out well. So. But as soon as they go back to school, bye-bye. I won't be doing any reviews for quite a while. Probably not until like Christmas break, honestly. And then there'll be midwinter break. That's a weird one. Actually, that's what they call it. I think that's what they call it. Even though it's the beginning of winter. But I don't know. That's what bugs me. They do all these different holidays and celebrate all these holidays, but they won't celebrate, what do you call it? Halloween, which is just like, why not? That's a fun holiday. But I mean, there are ethnic groups that like really aren't into it, which is cool, but they're okay with Thanksgiving at their school, and it's like, there's indigenous people who are really not into Thanksgiving. So they just kind of pick which ones they feel guilty about, I guess. I don't know. And this is really hot and burning my fingers as I drain it. But I think that's good. These come with a decent amount of vegetable Oh, and there's the lid. The lids are cool. It's plastic. Like so. I'm gonna add in the yucky soba sauce. As of this video, got some news that my sister-in-law is not doing so well. Hopefully she is doing better. Granted, it's what do you call it? It's July. We're watching this probably in December. No, November. That's right. What the heck was that? I just got the weirdest notification on my Bluetooth from my phone. I have not even a remote clue of what app did that. Maybe that was LinkedIn? It was something. It was all really unclear with what that was. Alright, I think we're pretty stirred out here. Alright. Noodle. Cheers. Ow! It's hot. That's pretty good yakisoba, I would say. Nice amount of vegetables in these, I swear. I swear I say that every time, but it's true. All right. I gotta say, this is like my favorite track of all this new music that I've gotten for the show. We'll add some doings here. Chashu. Onions from the spring. Little slice of Narutomaki I got here. A little bit of seed. And finally, dash of shichimi right there. There you go. So in the next ones you're gonna see, I don't know what they'll be. Possibly I've got some Turkish Indomie. I've got some Indomie from Indonesia. I've got a lot of stuff to try that was sent by Ferengi of Australia, so that'll be coming up. Lots more of the Zen Pop stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks to Nissin Germany for sending this one over. There's plenty more Nissin German products that I'll be reviewing. And yeah, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.